Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial I'll be demonstrating how to create lemon curd. This is a recipe tutorial and the decorated cake will be coming up soon as well. You'll need 1.5 tablespoons worth of lemon zest. So I took 2 lemons and grated the skin. You'll find that there's a much more of a bitter taste if you go all the way down to the white part, so maybe try to avoid the white and get just the yellow zest. You'll also need 100 ml of lemon juice. For me, this was 5 lemons. Pop that aside and separate egg whites from the egg yolk. You'll need about 7 egg yolks for this. And don't throw away your egg white, you can use that later on to make meringues and decorate your cake with. Just pop it into the fridge with some Glad wrap over the top. Combine your egg yolks in a separate bowl and add in your lemon juice, your lemon zest, and your caster sugar. All the ingredient amounts will be listed below this video. Whisk that together and then pop it over bain-marie on medium heat. So that's just a little bit of water at the bottom of my saucepan and it's simmering, so it's heating up the bottom of my bowl, but my bowl is not touching the water. Very, very important that your bowl doesn't touch the water. Continue to sift for a few minutes, maybe about 5 minutes, and then I added in a teaspoon of cornstarch just to help it along the way of thickening. Once it reaches 170 degrees Celsius and looks a bit like this, you can take it off, pop it into a separate bowl so it cools down faster, and then gently pour in your butter. You can put it in melted or whole. I actually did a bit of both. I was a little bit impatient, didn't really want to wait for the butter to melt, so I just melted it in the microwave. And this is what you're left with at the end. Now to chill, so pop it into a cool container. You could leave it in the same bowl that it was in. Pop some Glad wrap over the top and then into the fridge for at least 4 hours and overnight to thicken. And that's how you make lemon curd. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and give it a go. And I will have a decorated cake using this coming up soon. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to do so. We upload a new cake decorating video every Tuesday. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.